Well, don't get fooled by this candle. Seriously, don't get fooled by this candle because okay, I will be explaining why, but before that, disclaimer first. Anything which I will be talking about in this video for this BTC is the way I do my analysis, and I'm just sharing for education and information purposes only. That's all, nothing more than that. So like I said, don't get fooled by this candle. To be honest, don't get fooled by this candle. Why? Because first of all, I have already talked about the BTC level. This is the level where BTC is supposed to go, and this is what I'm expecting. And well, I mean, most of the time in my case, my prediction are going as per the way I was predicting, and this all these videos are the proof. You can go check each one by on the basis of the dates when I have uploaded, and then you can go check it out basis of this replay time frame, whatever. But what I'm saying is, the BTC is supposed to come to this 87,000 level, and the thing which leads that thing, this 85,000, is first by breaking this level. This is the main level where BTC currently having a very good support, and everything which happened here, all these things are happening above this zone. So in the next week, that's what I have already talked about in this video, and then this is the updated version in this 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, things which is happening right now. And what we see here, this green big candle, and this is what I've already talked about in my that video, this video. So here what is happening is BTC is getting some sort of a support, not even some sort of a, but it's a kind of a very visible sort of a support. This is the zone, 4 hour support zone. I have these zones, everything, this all these are zones, and these zones represent support or resistance. So here in this case, when prices sharply started falling here, BTC got enough support here in this 4 hour support zone, and then after that consolidation, or maybe consolidation in 1 hour time frame. You see this 1 hour time frame, this consolidation, and then in 4 hour time frame we have this big green candle, and this is where the prices is getting a resistance, and this is what I have talked about in this my video. Okay, and now what is going to happen, and I will be taking the bullish scenario also, but that's less likely going to happen. But still, I'm just taking that reference because that's what is, I think, people might be expecting with the BTC. So in that case, let's start with the bullish case scenario. If for the bullish case, the price supposed to break this level. This is the, let me just zoom in a little bit here. So we see this candle here, which we are observing, it's slightly closed above this lower level. Okay, and that's a good thing to breaking this zone. That's what always happen with my analysis. To break this zone, there are two ways price try to break the level. Either first starting with the lower level, breaking the lower level, and then after that breaking that level, this lower level becomes a support, and then it will again continue for the upside, and then it has to break this level also, this upper level. And then after that, the price is supposed to trade above this 4 hour zone here, above this zone, this upper level. And then after that, it may attempt for this 108 or whatever. This is the level, and this level I have already talked about, and I think people are, if they are doing their analysis, if they're aware, then we used to have a very good sort of a support here in this 108 level, where price, in this case here, when the prices broke this 108 level here, somewhere here, it again reclaimed it, and then after the consolidation reclaim here, we can see the candle, and then again we see the fall, and then this thing happened and struggle. These are some struggle in the 108 level, and then for this rally here, we got some rejection here, and these are the things which I've already talked about in other videos, so I'm not going to repeat everything here, all these things which is already happening. So let's continue with this ongoing activity. So like I said, price has to break this lower level first to go for upside move first, which is already we see in this candle. It break slightly above this closing is slightly above this lower level, and it's a good sign for upside, but it has to continue remain above this level, and then it has to break this entire zone and then break this upper level, and then it has to trade somewhere above this level. We can see here same sort of an activity, you know, all these things which happened here in the BTC, but eventually in this candle it break through this entire zone. We see here in this candle it tried to break the entire zone but closed slightly above this lower level, and then reattempt again, and then it closed above this low higher level, and then consolidation or whatever we can say. So we have support here, and then it attempted again, and then this is the high we have in the recent in the 4-hour time frame, and this is slightly below this 108 level. This is what we have this 108, which is a major pivot or major level for the BTC right now. So I'm just taking this consideration. If price has to continue, which is happening right now, we see this green candle, then it will continue for this thing, and then it will break this level, and then it will go for this attempt, another attempt for 108 level, which may gonna happen, and this is the case here, which is I think happening right now. But eventually what will be going to happen in with this BTC is it will get a rejection. Already we are getting a rejection here. But if it successfully break through this resistance, then we have a major resistance, and this is nothing more than this daily. If I go include the daily resistance zone, we see we are already in the daily resistance zone. This is the bigger picture. Above the 4-hour time frame we have daily, so I have taken the daily time frame here. In the 4-hour time frame, we see currently the price is getting resistance in the 4-hour resistance zone, 4-hour zone. At the same time, this lower level is the this daily time frame zone, which it breaks here, but it is trying to attempt to go for the upside, and we will see this level maybe up until this level. But overall, this is the resistance zone, this is the selling zone, which is happening right now. And then after that, eventually what will happen by the end of this week, let me just take the weekly candle reference here just for this video. So today is what? Today is Tuesday, I think. Yeah, Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Okay, so we have I think how many days? 4 days and 12 hours for the closing of the weekly time frame, weekly candle. During that period, the price will consolidate inside this zone, and then after the new weekly candle, it will start falling. This is what I am expecting again, and then it will try to break this lower level of this daily time frame. This is what I am expecting. What is happening here? Okay, so the price will try to break this level here. This is the case here. Price will break this level, or maybe try to break this level here in the next weekly candle. Right now it is in the consolidation phase. If by any chance if it successfully break through this level, this upper level, then we have chance for this level. But still I'm just taking this case here because we are already getting a resistance here in this specific red candle. The entire thing happened inside this daily time frame zone. The selling pressure was there. We see the red candle, and then this is the attempt which happened because of the 4-hour support zone. This is the support zone. So this activity is the consolidation which is happening right now, and then after in the new week it will attempt for this support, and eventually if it gets a support, then it's supposed to trade above this level, and then it may consolidate again and then reattempt it. But again, eventually what will happen is breaking this level, and once the price will break and trading started below this lower level, then this is the clear sign for this 87 or 85,000 level, which I have already talked about in this video and this one also. So I'm just making this quick video to update you guys. So yeah, that's all in this video, and I will be covering other updated videos when it's needed to cover. So yeah, for that you can subscribe, and yeah, that's all for now. And like I said, a last warning or kind of a disclaimer, this is my way to do the analysis, and it has nothing to do with anything about, nothing more than that. So please keep this video for educational and information purpose only, and please do your research and analysis for any sort of a trade decision. Thank you so much for watching this content so far, and please subscribe and watch my other content to verify things which I'm talking about, and then you can take action accordingly. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.